2012 Nissan Sentra. Check it out, guys. He's gonna wrap it. He's gonna do a lot of crazy stuff to it. So he brought it to us and he said, I want it straight pipe. I said, we got you. So there's factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we did a resonator delete, 2-inch. Continue with the 2-inch out the back. Then he had a muffler delete done earlier in the year. And then we finished it off with a nice Natami chameleon tip, part number NT2371. Check it out, guys. It changes colors with the angle. It's really cool. Purple, green, yellow, all that stuff. Sexy Natami tip. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. Natami, part number NT2371. As you guys can see, we like using Natami. They have really good quality double wall tips. And there's the factory resonator that was on it that we took off. Are you excited?
Hell yeah.
He's excited. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. Like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. Nissan Sentra. So loud. I love it. What do you think?
That's exactly what I was going for.
Yes, sir. He loves it. It's so loud. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 113 out of a Sentra, guys. That's insane. Natami. It has to be the purple tip that made it extra loud. Let's go. Again. He loves it. You can hear it. That sounds amazing. So when you guys are ready, bring yours in. We'll hook you up. Let you hear it on the inside. Sentra all the way from Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Yes. It's like 3 hours away. Huh? Oak Ridge boys!
Represent.
Hopefully he gives it hell. Give it juice. Hell yeah. Enjoy, guys.